Hello into my factory. Now is first day after Christmas and New Year holidays, and I'm keep working at bush mower repair. So, and this is one of the shafts what is almost finished. Here is bushing set on the shaft, but over here is welding on the shaft. So I think welding quality is okay. Here we set a ring. Later here will be a bronze spacer, and this all is machined by my largest lathe in my workshop. You will ask how I put that part in the lathe. Easy. I take a piece of pipe, weld it here, then I take my 4-jaw chuck, clamp it in this chuck, and this part through this pipe part I clamp it down there. This 250mm chuck is attempt number 2, because before this chuck I wanted to set same size chuck right here, but I break it, and it doesn't not matter now, but because I find a way how to figure it out, and now we see how this shaft looks. So, and here we can now definitely a place where is a welding, and then the opposite side, yeah, here too we can see right here. So that is one part. So this part is just after welding, and it's still hot. In this hole we set the bushing, and now this is bore. As you see, there is a double block welding. In this side we can see a welding, and this will be good. This part is already machined and almost ready to mount back on that shaft. So bore is enlarged, this is faced off, so it will be good. Also there is a cylinder ram. I finished this. I wanted to unpack it because I don't want to damage it. But as you see, there is a nut what is for this ram. So this repair project is keep moving. So thanks for watching, good luck, and have a nice day.